Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the best refrigerators of 2023. We've done the research and testing to bring you the top models on the market. From compact fridges to spacious French door designs, we'll be covering all the features and performance that matter most. Let's dive in. At number 1 is Frestec FR472SL 4.7 cubic feet refrigerator. The Frestec FR472SL is a compact countertop refrigerator with a 4.7 cubic feet capacity. This mini fridge is perfect for those who need a little extra space to store their food and drinks without taking up too much room in their home. One of the standout features of this refrigerator is its 7-adjustable temperature control, which ranges from 21.2 deg Fahrenheit to 0.4 deg Fahrenheit in the freezer zone, and from 32 deg Fahrenheit to 50 deg Fahrenheit in the refrigerator zone. This ensures that all of your food stays fresh and at the perfect temperature. The Frestec FR472SL also boasts removable glass shelves and wire shelves, allowing for easy organization and customization to fit your needs. Additionally, its whisper quiet operation makes it ideal for use in a variety of settings, such as dorm rooms, offices, bedrooms, lounges, bars, garages, and man caves. Another convenient feature of this mini fridge is its automatic interior lighting, which illuminates when the door is opened, making it easy to find what you're looking for, even in low light conditions. Overall, the Frestec FR472SL is a great option for those in need of a compact, yet spacious refrigerator. Its adjustable temperature control, customizable shelves, and quiet operation make it a versatile and convenient addition to any home. At number 2 is H-Home Labs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. The H-Home Labs 3.2 cubic feet beverage cooler is the perfect appliance to keep your drinks chilled and easily accessible. With a sleek stainless steel and black design and a left-hinge glass front door, you can easily view your favorite beverages. The digital thermostat with adjustable temperature control can cool down to 34 deg Fahrenheit, ensuring that your drinks are at the perfect temperature. The interior features 3 adjustable and removable chrome shelves that can hold up to 120 standard-sized soda or beer cans or several bottles of wine. The advanced cooling system with a whisper quiet compressor and small convection fan ensures even and consistent cooling throughout the appliance. The auto defrosting function and large digital display make this beverage cooler a great addition to any office, dorm, apartment, or home kitchen. Note that this appliance is designed for storing beverages only and not for fresh foods. At number 3 is Arcia 2-Door Compact Refrigerator. The Arcia Compact Freezer on Top Refrigerator is a great solution for those looking for a compact and efficient fridge. With an adjustable thermostat and compressor cooling, it ensures ultimate cooling even in hot weather. It has a 3.2 cubic foot space and a 2-door configuration, with the top section for the freezer and the bottom unit for the refrigerator, providing ample space for all your groceries. This refrigerator also features eco-friendly semiconductor refrigeration technology, which is Freon-free and environmentally friendly, and quiet technology that keeps sound to a minimum 25 decibel, weighing only 57 pounds. It saves space for other appliances, and with a reversible door, it accommodates both right and left-handed use. Overall, the Arcia Compact Freezer on Top Refrigerator is a great value for its compact size and features. At number 4 is Banks & Mini Fridge. The Banks & Mini Fridge with freezer is a great choice for those who need a compact yet spacious refrigerator for their bedroom, office, or dorm. With a 3.2 cubic feet capacity, it can store frozen food, cool beverages, and fresh vegetables. It's also energy efficient, equipped with an R600, a compressor that only needs 0.55 kilowatt-hour per day. This will help you save money and reduce your carbon footprint. The fridge is also designed to be quiet, with a low noise value of only 38 decibel. This feature makes it an excellent choice for gifting to elders who need a peaceful environment. The mini fridge is easy to operate, with a reversible door, adjustable feet, and a 5-level thermostatic control system. Overall, the Banks & Mini Fridge is a great choice for those who value convenience, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. At number 5 is Upstremmen BR321 3.2 cubic feet mini fridge. The Upstremmen BR321 mini fridge is a perfect addition to any small living space. With a compact size of 18.7 by 17.4 by 33.1 inch and 3.2 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample space for storage of perishable food, drinks, and even frozen items. It features an adjustable thermostat with 5 temperature settings ranging from 33.8 Fahrenheit to 46.4 Fahrenheit to keep food fresh while saving on electricity bills. The single-door design is space-efficient and convenient, while the adjustable leg and reversible door make it easy to fit in any corner of the room. The mini fridge is energy efficient, with a low energy cost of 0.5 kilowatt-hour per day, and operates quietly at 38 decibel. The crisper drawer and removable shelves provide practical storage solutions. The Upstremmen BR321 is a great choice for dorms, offices, bedrooms, RVs, and garages. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.